interrupted with the Litjson library DLL blocking Litjson workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. I recommend the automated system scan for Litjson library to finish your setup in seconds. This is the Litjson library, a lightweight localized .NET library for handling JSON data serialization. It is an unmanaged dependency for many indie games, Unity-based, and utility apps to parse localized configuration files and save game data. Its absence results in a JSON reflection failure at startup. Since we've identified what's missing, let's try the official recovery method. Since Litjson library DLL is an embedded part of the Litjson architecture, you should perform a clean reinstall of the application that triggered the message to ensure all proprietary components are restored to their proper paths. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Litjson library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. If a quick restart didn't do the trick, it's time to look deeper into the system configuration. If you need to pause the video to find your settings menu, I'll be right here. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Do not compromise your computer's health by sourcing Litjson library DLL from random internet mirrors, which often harbor hidden tracking scripts designed to bypass standard antivirus protocols. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. The diagnostic utility reference below offers general information for managing Litjson library and maintaining system health. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Litjson library, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.